So this is my last and third and last point. This is quite underrated. Some people maybe don't understand it, but let me explain. Always have a hobby. Some people think I earlier I said do what you love to do. But people say that I'm pursuing my hobby, so what's wrong in it? I'm already pursuing what I love to do. But what's the right thing that whenever you are doing something for the money as in career, it's become headache because there's a lot of things because you want to earn money into it. So always have any side habit or hobby because that makes you escape from the reality, from all your problems on tension. Maybe you're working very hard to make your startup grow, make your business grow. Then you take for 1 month, 2 months, after 1 or 2 months, you take lead. Do some kind of hobby that hobby is anything, for example, art, traveling the world, anything what you want to do or love you or what you love to do or watch a movie. This is also an hobby. So that helps you to escape from the reality. That give you some time. That fresh your mind, and this also make you more happy. And after that, you become more focused in your work. So that's my third point. Always have a hobby.
That's it.
Yeah.
No, you forgot audience mode. Okay. When we start any question, like when we are giving presentation, it means you have some audience to interact. Okay. So now I'm gonna give the same presentation as I have given you. I'm gonna explain the same points which you have mentioned. I'm not gonna mention my own point. I will follow the same points. Okay, I'm starting. So, good evening, everyone. Good evening, sir. So, I'm going to give a presentation how to be happy in your life. So, when we talk about happiness, so there are a lot of question comes in our mind. Firstly, I want to know that what is happiness according to you? What makes you happy? Could you please tell?
Doing something which you like.
Okay, doing something which you like to do. Like, can you give me some example? Some people connect happiness with money. Some people connect happiness with luxuries. Some people connect happiness with the lifestyle. But according to me, I'm going to give you some secrets or some key points to be happy in your life. My first point is that if you want to be happy, don't compare yourself. How I say that? Don't compare yourself. I stress on these words because I want to highlight these words. If I say, like you, I'm following you. If you want to be happy, don't compare yourself. Don't compare, just don't compare. It's like you're not stressing on those points. Now I'm saying, if you want to be happy, then you have to follow one thing that don't compare yourself in your life anywhere. Suppose if you are studying in a school, don't compare yourself with a person who is better than you. Compare. Comparison is good thing. Compare with the average students and you are better than them and you want to be best. So don't compare, just always try to be best of yourself. Best version of yourself. Okay, if you want to compare, just compare with your own self. That today I am this and I want to be that. That is my target. Okay, if you really want to compare. Otherwise, don't compare yourself with anybody else. Because your competition is just you. If you want to be happy, then compare with yourself, not with anybody else. Second point is that if you want to be happy, then do whatever you love to do. Don't do whatever somebody else is saying. Okay? Don't get pressurized with somebody's word that you have to be something, whatever somebody else want to be. Okay? Just follow whatever you like. If your passion is to become a pilot, then do whatever, do the work to become the pilot. Okay? You should not be like that. Your father is saying to join civil services and you don't want to join, but still you are following that work. You can't be happy in your life. Okay. Now the third point is that if you really want to be happy, then always have a hobby. Every person, as Mubin said, that they get tired, they get distressed in their life by doing some work, some kind of like some kind of passion or profession they follow. After doing that work, person gets exhausted. Okay. And if you want to release your stress, then hobby is the best thing, because hobbies are the things which we like to do, which nobody says to do. If somebody likes to do gardening, when they do gardening, they release their stress, they get some happiness, and that is the real happiness. So if we follow these things, we can be happy in our life. And if you want to be happy, then you have to follow all the advices. That's all for today. Thank you. So speak back, interact, look at the audience, change your pace. Sometimes up, sometimes down. When you're stressing, when you're pushing, then be loud. When you're becoming calm, be calm. Then again, change in the pace, because audience हो जाती है. अगर हम एक ही पेस को बोलेंगे ना, तो दो चार लोगों को मजा आएगी, सोएंगे. एकदम से मैं बोलूंगा, then you should be up. नींद से उड़ गया. ठीक है.